name is Steve Bahls. I'm the retiring president of Augustana College. I'll be retiring in 18 months. The chair of the board of Augustana College will be announcing a search committee within the next couple of weeks to do a nationwide search for my successor. Chairman John Marabito of Philadelphia hopes that the new president will be identified by this time next year. I'm proud of many accomplishments at Augustana College, but I'm most proud of my colleagues, the 600 employees of Augustana College that are uncommonly dedicated to students. But during my years at Augustana College, I've watched diversity at Augustana College grow from about 5% of the student population to nearly a third with international students and domestic students of color. A diverse Augustana is a more exciting Augustana. A diverse Augustana creates a marketplace of ideas. It truly has been a pleasure to serve this wonderful institution.